and welcome to monkeyhappy.com stage 757. This is chapter 4 of Release the Beasts. In this one you release the fourth beast and travel to the next town of Gangarat. Let's go ahead and start picking up all these. There's our little dial that we can turn. Whoops, I went inside accidentally. Okay, pick up more items here. A rope. Okay, this guy wants a stuff. This guy wants a blanket. Okay, we've picked up a small key and a lockbox, and we want to stick it in there. Now, here, if you go up, you can see three colors, and those same three colors show up here. So it's 18361, 18361, and 5724, 5724. Okay, then we've got the this puzzle to solve, and that's shown here. The clue is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Combine those two. Combine these. Now we have this color here, 8361. As you can see, it's here, 8361. And on the other side, 5724. That's the color shown here. 5724. Oops, I passed it. Once you've got all these stones, we can stick them in here. Okay, we get these keys. One of them gets used up here. Oops, I was picking up a key. This gets unlocked. Then what else have we got that we can do? Oh yeah, pick up half the face and put that here. Now we've got two heads. One goes there, one goes there. Combine the cowboy head and the lasso and stick that here. Combine this blanket and the head, stick that in there. Combine the glasses, give it to her or him. Combine these ornament parts and put that in here. Now start slicing all of these bits just so we get all the stones out of those. Okay, what else have we got? We've got these two to combine, then we've got this to combine, and this goes in here. And by our clue you can see that it's left, these point left, so it's left, down, up, right, left, down, up, right, and on the other side it's right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left. And here we've got up, right, left, down, up, right, left, down, and finally on this one we have down, left, right, up. Now we got 36 stones, so the final thing to do is to go here, southwest, northwest, oh that's the other one, here, southeast is up here, northeast is up here. Combine the 40 stones, give them to this guy, combine the two snake parts, put it there, south, north, north, south, south, north, north, south, and northwest here, so northwest in the middle, Push that open, and there you go, guys. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 757. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.